y'all need to put this down and pick this up. Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Ms. Magic. I am back with another wash and go video. Today I'm going to do something fun. I am going to recreate my 1980s Carefree curl, and I am going to do it using my old and trusty Carefree curl product, Instant Activator Gold. Back in the 80s, everybody was getting a curl. On here, they're calling it a Jheri curl, but in Chicago, everybody had a Carefree curl. So today I'm going to use the products that I used to use when I had a chemically treated Carefree curl on my natural hair. But first, I want to show you guys something. I just deep conditioned my hair, so I am going to take the cap out. I actually still have the conditioner in my hair, but I do want to show you guys something. As you can see, my shrinkage is crazy. I do have conditioner in my hair, deep conditioner. I have a curl mask from I have this curl mask on right now, and my hair has been deep conditioning for about 30 minutes. That's the Blueberry Bliss. What is it? Reparative hair mask. That's what I have in my hair right now. I just wanted to show you guys, like when I first started my wash and go, I only do a wash and goes in the summertime. I'm what you call a straight natural. So in the wintertime, I wear my hair silk pressed all winter long. And so you can go back to my first wash and go, which was with the Blueberry Curl Bliss, and I had 0 curls on the sides of my hair. My back never really has a problem curling back up, but the sides, both of the sides were straight. If you go back to my Blueberry Bliss video, you will see when I had my conditioner hair, my hair was straight. And I did say that as the summer rolls around, my natural curl pattern would slowly come back. And as you can see, it's basically almost all the way back on this side. And this side still needs a little work, but we're not going to worry about that because I'm just going to go back to wearing it straight around November anyway. But I wanted to show you guys why I don't particularly love my hair in its natural curly state, because it's disrespectful. Look how short this looks. Look at this. But if I brush it, look at the shrinkage. If I brush it all the way down, look at that. And it basically will just, pop right back to being super short. It's not, my hair is not long at all, but my shrinkage is so disrespectful. It's crazy. So without further ado, I'm going to start this Carefree curl journey. It's going to bring back memories. I used to love my curl, but towards the end of having a curl, I couldn't stand it anymore. I wanted a relaxer so bad I couldn't stand it. So after my Carefree curl, I went straight into a relaxer, and I have been relaxed ever since the 80s to the not early 2000s. I think I went natural in 2000 and, don't quote me. I want to say when I went to Denver, 2009. So I've been natural since 2009. But like I said, I wear it straight in the wintertime. So let's get started. I am going to part my hair into 4 sections, and I will be right back. All right, guys, my hair has been parted into 4 sections. For my leave-in, I am using the Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner, and I have already put some in this section. And like I said before, I am recreating this style from the 80s, my Carefree curl, when I was in 7th grade, I believe. 7th grade. So I'm going to recreate this exact same style with my natural 3C hair. But first, if you guys are new here, I am so excited that you came. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. Subscribe to me. If you already are subscribed and you are returning, welcome back, my magic superstars. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for enjoying my videos, and let's get started. All right, guys. So I am going to chase the Carefree Curl Gold Activator with my wet line, of course. Wet Line Extreme Gel in blue. I love it. Oh, shout out to these Kiss Nails too. I mean, I'm going on 2 weeks and they are doing great. I have a video about how I did my press-ons and how they will last you 2 weeks if you do it with this method. So check that video out after you check out this video. All right, I got my water bottle. I'm going to section off the first section. And I'm going to shingle the back and probably, I don't know, finger coil the sides where my hair is kind of straight. I don't know yet. We'll see when we get there. But I'm definitely going to shingle the back. So let's get started. Let us get started. I'm excited. You know what? I don't think I can get this top off. I want to remember what it smells like. No, I can't get the top off. Let's hope it doesn't already have a ring thing on it. It does. It does. Okay, I got to struggle with getting this top off. I'll be right back. All right, guys. My son had to put a Chicago karate chop grip on here to get that top off. And it don't have a thing on it. So why wasn't it coming out? Huh. Okay. We're not going to put this top back on because I think it's defective. Anywho. All right, we are ready. Let's go. I'm just going to... Ew. It has a snot-like consistency. I don't remember that. And I don't remember this smelling like this too. I think they might have changed the formula. And I don't remember, it says instant activated, but underneath there, can y'all see that? It says, I don't know if y'all can see, it says dual conditioning, and it says for naturally or curly hair. Back in the day, that wasn't there. I'm telling you that wasn't there. Because everybody had curls chemically treated. Nobody had natural hair back then. Not really. But as you see, oh yeah, this is going to be, yep, this is going to be great. I think I'm probably going to like this better than the S curl. Y'all know I love product. If you watch my videos, I love product. I'm not scared of product. Some people are scared of product. I am not. It's giving, yeah, it's giving, yeah. This is going to be nice. Watch. So I'm going to chase it. I don't even think I'm going to need that much wet line, but I'm going to chase it with the wet line. And I'm going to shingle. I'm going to do the first 2 sections. And then I'm going to use pretty big shingles too because I want to. All right. So I like to just pull it, you know. Y'all saw my shrinkage in the beginning, so I'm pulling this. I want this to be damn near straight when I do it. Let's do the second section. All right. Yes, I think I'm really going to love this wash and go. So back in the day, I'm challenging y'all. This is going to be a challenge. If you did have a Carefree curl back in the day, or any kind of curl, I'm challenging you to find a picture and of yourself with the curl and recreate. If you have natural hair now, recreate your Carefree curl using Carefree curl products. And however you chase it. Oop, I don't spill some gel. Okay. I'm challenging you. This is a challenge. I don't know how many people gonna be in my challenge because my little channel is so little. I only have 1,600 subscribers. But hopefully with you guys subscribing, it'll change. But anyway. All right, let's go ahead and finish shingling. I am going to shingle my whole head. So you guys enjoy the music while I do it. And I will be back.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, Megan, Sharon.
All right, guys, so this is the back of my hair, totally shingled with the Carefree Curl Instant Activator and the wet line chased it on top. And I'm telling you, I'm already liking it better. I do like the S curl. But I'm already liking the way this is feeling. I don't know if I just section it in bigger chunks, but it's really feeling better and it smells better. And y'all better switch over to this Carefree Curl Instant Activator. Nothing against S curl, it's cool. But I think what I noticed is that the S curl is greasier than this Carefree Curl. This, I don't know. It's I don't know. I can't. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. I think the S curl is greasier and stickier, where this is not as sticky as that. So I'm really loving this. Like it's bringing me back to my Carefree Curl vibe. All right, I'm gonna stop talking and let's do this front. I still haven't decided what I wanted to do. I don't know. Finger coil? Because I got to curl up my little ends with the curlers. Yeah, I'm a finger curl. Let's get started. Oh, and I forgot. I am going to go lightly on my little ends Like maybe I'll just put the Carefree curl on my curly part because this is my straight side and I am going to have to roll it with the rollers. And I noticed with the S curl, even though the S curl is greasier, it weighed it down so much that it stayed straight. My hair has a problem with the straight ends. When I do put the curl activator on there, it stays weighted down and kind of straighten out 2-3 days after my wash and go. So I'm gonna keep it light on that and just mostly put the wet line on the ends and then the Carefree curl stuff on the sides. But go ahead, I talk too much. Enjoy the music.
Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me.
All right, guys, that is my whole head shingled on 3/4 shingle and coiled over here. As you see, this side, my curl pattern is coming back slowly but surely. So by the time it's dry, it will be curly because I'm going to diffuse it to death. This side, not so much. It's taking a little bit longer, so I will diffuse that. And when my hair is 85 to 90% dry, I will be putting my little small perm rods in it. Hold on, let me show you my perm rods. I will be putting my perm rods on this side and maybe a couple of curls here, and then I think I got like 2 straight strands in back. But as you see, my back is totally curly. I might have 1 or 2 straight strands back there, but we're not gonna worry about that. We are going to recreate my Carefree curl look, my 1980s Carefree curl look in just a minute. Not just a minute. I'll be back when my hair dries, but to you guys, it will be just a minute. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, and I will be back with the finished look. All right, quick note, guys, before I finish diffusing. I did take those finger coils out, and I wound up just shingling this side because it was just too weighed down. So I am going to finish diffusing my hair and letting it air dry because this side was getting super curled and this side was still acting straight. But once I took the coils out and I started shingling it, I got a little bit more curl. I still am going to put probably a couple of rollers in this side when it's 80% dry. So I just want to make a quick note that I took those coils out. So, okay, let me finish drying. Okay, guys, I had to come back. I'm like 75% dry. Am I tweaking, or do y'all see this? My hair, y'all saw this. I'm not crazy, right? My hair was just bone straight on this side like 20 minutes ago. Y'all see that, right? It was bone straight. It's curled. Y'all need to put this down and pick this up. Y'all see this? Look at this. I usually put perm rods on the end of my hair, which I still am going to do right here because it's still a little straggly and a little bit right here. But my hair hasn't been this curly on this side and I don't know how long. So we're going to put this down and we're going to pick this up. Okay? I knew I was going to like it from the beginning when I put it in my fingers and I felt the consistency of it. So like I said, my hair is just 75% dry. I just had to come back on here and show y'all that I'm not tweaking. I felt like I was tweaking, but yeah, like I said, my hair is 75% dry. This is the back. Still disrespectful on the shrinkage, but I do have a little pull. So look, go rewind this video. Rewind this video and look at how straight my hair was. Look at that. I got curl. I was just talking about how this side is curling back up, but Carefree curl gave me some curl right here. I know I've been saying this in all my wash and go videos that I can see my curl pattern come back. And it is like 50% that my curl pattern is coming back, but each product is better than the last. But hey, I thought that I'm going to keep it. I'm not going to throw it away. But Carefree Curl, use the truth. Use the truth. Use the truth back then in the 80s and use the truth back now in 2020. 2020, Carefree Curl, baby. Okay? All right. Now, for real, I'm not going to be back until it is 100% dry and I'm ready to style it into my 80s curl look. I promise I won't be back till then. All right, superstars, I am back. My hair is 100% dry. You cannot tell me that my curls are not popping. I did put a couple of rollers in there because I'm trying to recreate some bangs. But as you see, my bangs are still really long. I put a couple of little perm rods over here. Maybe, I don't know, 1 or 2 in the back, but not much. And as you see, that Carefree Curl Juice got my hair popping. These are my curls in the back. They are fully defined. I don't know if y'all can see this. I done lost all my little light. But I got nice, very, 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 very nice curl definition. Y'all see that? It is wonderful. Okay, so now we are going to recreate our Carefree Curl look from the 80s. I'm going to need a big snap, round snap to do this. So let's go. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I think I did a very good job recreating my Carefree Curl. I did pull it a little bit and probably frizzed it a little bit in the back, trying to reduce this incredible shrinkage. But this is the look I recreated. Look, I have the original picture. Here it is. How'd I do, guys? That's me. I use some colorful bobby pins. You can barely see them. But back in the day, we used to have the colorful combs. I don't know if you can see that. We used to have the little colorful combs that I could push it back. They don't sell those anymore. So I used my little colorful Barbie pins. I don't know if you can see them. From Dollar Tree, by the way. But I love it. I love it. It's taking me back to my Ready for the World days. And if you don't know who Ready for the World is, ask your mother. Oh, oh, Sheila. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, Sheila. So, yeah, that's what Ready for the World's saying. So, yeah, ask your mom. Okay, guys, I am challenging you to pull out your Carefree Curl pictures and recreate it with your natural hair. And if you're too young and you didn't have a Carefree Curl, do it on your mother. Tell her to pull out a Carefree Curl picture. If she's natural now, recreate her Carefree Curl picture. I challenge you guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.